Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. In the Bhagavad Gita Dhyana Shlokas, we have seen Srimad Bhagavad Gita Stuti, Bhagavan Shri Vedavyasa Stuti, Bhagavan Shri Krishna Stuti. The third shloka compared Bhagavad Gita with cow's milk. We saw Gita Amrita Duhe Namaha. Krishna is the one who milks this Amrita of Gita. Namaskarams to him. This idea is elaborated in the following shloka. The Swarupa of Bhagavad Gita and its Mahima are mentioned in this shloka. Sarvopanishado gavaha dogdha gopala nandanaha partho vatsas sudhir bhokta dugdham gitamritam mahat. We need cows in order to get milk. Cow gives milk only if there is a calf. Only in the presence of a calf, we can milk the cow. Even if the calf is dead, a form like that is made and milk is taken from the cow. There is a person who milks the cow and there are people who drink the cow's milk. There is a cow, a calf, a milkman, and there are people who drink the milk. Sarvopanishado gavaha. The Upanishads are the cows. Gita is the essence of all the Upanishads. At the end of each chapter, we chant, Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gita Upanishatsu. Then, Dogdha Gopala Nandanaha. Bhagavan Shri Krishna is the one who milks. He gives the essence of the Upanishads. Go means cow. Pala is the one who protects them, and Nandanaha, one who bestows happiness. One who protects all the jivas and brings joy to all the beings is another meaning. Partho Vatsaha. Arjuna is the calf. Arjuna is the nimitta for Gitopadesha. Keeping Arjuna in mind, Bhagavan teaches the Gita to the entire world. Adi Shankaracharya tells in the Bhashyam, Arjunam nimitti kritya aha Bhagavan. Then Gita Amritam Mahat Dugdham. That which gives jnana and moksha. That which liberates us from the cycle of birth and death is called Amritam. That which gives jnana and moksha, that which liberates us from the cycle of birth and death is called Amritam. Then, Sudhihi Bhokta. Those endowed with Shraddha Bhakti and good thinking capacity are the persons who drink this milk of Gita Amritam. All of you who are interested in listening to Gita through this program are also Sudhihi. Sudhihi Bhokta. Upanishads are the cows. Bhagavan is the one who milks them. Gita is the milk. Arjuna is the calf. Those with clear thinking capacity are those who drink this milk. My prayerful blessings for all of you. Hari Om. Om.